Hey, what's up guys? Speedy Vargas here, and today is dyno tune day for the Subaru WRX. We're on our way to Pure Tuning right now. We're driving, but we're late. We were supposed to be there at 9, and it's about to be 10, and we're still driving over there. The car is already there with the owner, so they're probably gonna be already started when we get there, but we'll get there when we get there. It's all his fault. We late.
Sorry about that, guys.
Your destination is on the right.
Alright, it looks like we're here. Just park right there. Right next to the Evo. Alright guys, so we made it to Pure Tuning here in Ohio. And it looks like they already have the Subaru strapped in. The owner called me. They said they were ready to do the first pull. So there she sits. We're about to go say hi to everybody. That looks like the parts we installed.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, so I gotta end up buying all of that for the blue one. The exact same thing. See, those are the wheels you need for the Subaru. So fucking nice. Alright, so the car is already all strapped in. We have the owner, Rich, right here.
Not nervous at all.
Ah, yeah.
With my luck, what could go wrong?
What else could go wrong?
Exactly. Something that might be worthwhile. So it'll show the power torque curve from the, like it was up there a bit.
Okay.
Unfortunately, now I can take no more pictures, more video.
just under 21 pounds computer.
I survived it.
I tried to go higher, but it didn't like it. So max numbers down here are 294. I told you low boost. It's not much of a difference. It's the lowest I can go. That's it. I can't go any lower because the way this turbo is, it can't. The wastegate canister won't go any below this, and this taper is creep. So that's all I can do.
That's great.
The largest separation you can see is where the boost is the widest. That's from here to here. It's going from here to here. So it just takes the edge off, and then it's 286, 255.
And that was really the difference between the 17 and the 21.
Yeah, I tried to run 15, but it mechanically creeps to here, so I can't do anything about that.
Okay.
So it's at 17 right now?
I'm sorry?
It's at 17 right now?
Like
The boost.
Like the map that's on it.
No, it's going to be up to him what he wants to run.
Oh, okay.
I'll
So
tell you that before you go.
Okay.
Right now, what it's running is not relative. I just have it idling on the 17 file, but you're going to go to 21. And I'll show you how to go back and forth. It's up to you what you want to run.
Okay.
It's your decision.
Excellent.
We have to go.
Thank you for surviving it. I mean, like you said, well, it's going to do what it's going to do.
Yes, kind of a effed up situation. So,
But it made it shocking. Oh, thank God.
yeah. I told you if it made it through
The low.
initial testing, it should make it through the rest of it. The only thing was I tried to turn it up to actually so the map sensor is like just under 21 pounds, which is fine. I tried to go over that 21 and change, and it didn't seem to like it that much. So I'll call that a sign saying, hey, we'll leave it down. A pound isn't going to change the world. You know what I mean?
Right, like you said, if the difference is 17 and 21, it's like...
Yeah, 1 PSI we made 300 wheel. It's like 5 horse peak, and the low end probably would have been a little bit better, but not enough to justify putting it in roast.
Well, and we know how every dyno's different. Some read a little, maybe higher relative to others. It's all relative, but to me, the numbers weren't the key, but just to know that, yeah, you can put a little bit more heat into the system.
Well, the numbers are relative to me because what I see
Only
on my machine, this is what it should be.
Exactly. So, like,
Based
comparing...
on these models. Right.
God, thank God it made it through.
Well, we'll go test drive it when I unhook it.
Okay.
I always test drive everything when I tune. And then we'll do the Chinese slide roll, and then you can drive, and then we'll come back. Okay?
Thank you very kindly, good sir.
No problem. And then we'll chat more here in a minute.
All right,
Okay?
perfect.
let me see that.
Yeah, you got it.
That's actually how a tuning session is supposed to be.
Like, clean, no
Because-
problems.
So you bought this turbo. I had to rescale everything last night before I came in. I went through the whole math to make sure it was right. And that's why when I started tuning, everything should have worked out just like that. Everything should go smooth. Everything should be good. If I spend more than on a car like this, if I spend more than 2.5 hours on the tune, there's something wrong with the car. It's not good.
All right, she's ready for a test drive. So we are all set here. He got 2 files on there, one for 17 psi of boost and one for 21, and they're both right about the same horsepower. I would say they're only about 16 horsepower difference in between. One at 297, which is really good, and the other one at 280 or 81. I can't remember exactly what it is, but that's really good. We didn't hit the 300 plus, but we can call it 300. What do you guys think? Alright, so I think that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed Subaru, and I'll see you guys on the next video. bug eye in the middle of all these right here.